All right, out here tending to the bees again. Let's set up this thing so I can put the camera down. All right, so last night I checked the feeder and the feeder was almost empty, so I filled up another jug. I put it in here last night, but I didn't set it up right just because I didn't want to disturb the bees all that much. But I'm gonna crack it open and check out what they're doing. Probably should have smoked them a little bit. Bees checking me out already. So I'll put these girls over here. Well, I'll be right back. I was kind of curious on how fast they were building out the new frames. Oh yeah. Full of pollen and nectar right there. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so put that one back in there. I got a stinger in the glove already, so a little bit more smoke. Oh yeah. So nothing built out on that side, but this is a new frame that they're already trying. Already producing, there's nectar in there, and there's they are not happy I'm in here this morning. You know what? I think I'm agitating them quite a bit, so I'm gonna let them do their thing. They still have plenty to build out, so I'm gonna leave them alone and just fix the feeder up top. So this is all I'm doing. Put the feeder in there. I don't think I mixed it all that well. That's why there's sugar in the bottom, but I'm not too worried about that. As of right now, I don't know if I don't know if it's gonna have any negative. You know what? I'm gonna shake it. Let's just shake it a little bit. I ain't messing with it. I think next time I gotta mix it a little bit different. That'll good. Trying to make sure that all the bees are out of the top before I put it back on. All right, so that's it for this video. Other than I'm gonna leave this box outside. I'm gonna put it in this cover, add it to this hive that's not being used right now. But stay tuned that there is going to be a package that I'm getting next week. So I will be posting a video about that. All right, there we go.